Today we're gonna create YouTube ads. So for that person who doesn't know how to do this video is for you, for your understanding. So you'll come to ads.google.com and then you're gonna sign in. This because I run a managed account, I run many ads accounts. You'll see this, but if you only have one specific account, that is what you're gonna get. So this is a dashboard for your Google Ads account. Now you're gonna come to create campaign. What is your YouTube ads for? Let's say web traffic, let's say awareness consideration. Let's go there. I want to see the option is to choose between reach the maximum number of people or get more people to view your video. I'm going to click on that. So I'm choosing a video campaign. Sorry, there. All right, so we wait for it for a second. So we first change the name. So the goal is that the name is August views. So I want it to be this. These are the options. In feed, short ads. This is all fine with me. My budget, I always start very small and then I move up. My cost per view, that's fine as a bit strategy. My start date is today, August 5th, 2025, the year of my Lord. End date is, I always choose the end of the month. Can be shorter depending on your target, depending on your objective. Networks, always choose YouTube. So this is very, the ad partners, the Google partners are very, very finicky. They normally give you the worst results. So I would advise to not do that. Location, choose that, and then language is fine. Related videos, but now for the ad group, let's say August. Let's just call it views, first for the fun of it. The audiences, I don't want everybody. What the demographics I'm looking for is that fine. I'm looking for somebody who is 20. Let's go 35. Additional demographics, fine. That's fine. That's fine. Now let's go to interests. Just anybody who is interested in digital marketing, because I'm selling a digital marketing product. Their online marketing agencies, jobs, that's fine. I don't need first party data for this. Let's see if there's any additional segments. Nah, that's fine. That's fine as well. Well, you can add keywords. Let's just add one or two keywords. So we'll go with topics around the same. Advertising and marketing, that's fine. Placements, no, I want them to appear everywhere. I don't choose specific channels. That's what for me. All right, so create a video. So here you need to choose a video on YouTube. So I already have some. Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna choose. Yeah, that's fine. My fan. When somebody clicks my ad, I want them to go to my website. And then the ad will be digital marketing. That is fine. Yes, that's the name of my one ad, my cost plugin. That create a campaign. Continue to overview, and we are done. Now we just wait for it to be approved and we start. And with that, we have created our first ad video campaign.